The way we always go about stuff is through our mind, our thoughts, our heart. All right. And when we do stuff like that and we going about it with the wrong intentions, we going to get the wrong results. So first you got to go to your heart. Like, are you truly searching for the right one? Or are you finding yourself in a position where you just been heartbroken so much, you just like, shoot, if God can't do it, nobody can. And the reason why that feels like that, and it may feel like that, is first you got to come with a pure heart. You got to come with a heart of intention. See, as a man, we're supposed to seek. Okay, we seek the woman that we want. But in order to seek something, we have to know what we're looking for. So we need to write out a treasure map of this woman that we want. And the woman that we want that's going to be presented for us, we have to be the man. See, that's the next step. You got to become the man. So now you have your outcome of what you want, that special woman. But on top of that, you got to be that man that's going to be able to be that for the woman that you get. See, a lot of times we want this and we want that, but are we willing to give of ourselves to receive it? And that is so important. So it's not always you want to know what you want, but at the same time, you got to know you in order to receive what you want, because otherwise you'll get it and you won't even know it. You'll get it and you'll abuse it. You'll get it and you'll throw it away. And in the whole time you were meant, and that was yours, and that was all yours to have. And we just do this all the time, and it's okay. It's okay. Because when we get our heart right, we get our mind right. And when our mind is right, we're able to execute on totally tremendous levels to receive what is meant for ours. So that heartbreak. Now, going back to that heartbreak. Heartbreak is painful. It is really for a man. Like, we don't like to talk about it. We like to be, oh yeah, I'm gonna be macho. Be macho about this. No. Look. We go through stuff. We feel it, but we act out in a different way. That's all it is. And that's why we have to get ourselves right first. That's the important thing. When we get us right, we're able to think, and the next woman that we're seeking after, we get to provide them with a dream, a beautiful picture, this beautiful reality for them. Because when you come straight, everything else comes straight. But when you come in wrong, you like, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, I'm gonna finagle this, I'm gonna go around the corner, I'm gonna try to do a shortcut. You reap those shortcuts that you're trying to cut. That's why it's a shortcut. You try and cut something, and it's going to end up cutting you more so. And then a damage you, now you're going with a damage you around, then you're going to damage the next one. And it's all about syncing your mind to first what is that you want, and then fixing you. Because you're already amazing person. Now you got to fix it so that amazing person, like when you see that amazing person you want, and then you match it up to who you are, it won't match, and you'll have incompatible results. So go ahead, become the best you possible. All right. And then on top of that, you're going to supply this abundance to this woman that's just going to love you, adore you, and just really, really, really treat you just like you want. All right. Because we always get what we want at the end of the day. We do, believe it or not. And it's the mentality, the heart behind what we want and how we go about doing it. And that's probably the most important thing. See, we need to cut straight to the source of these things. And the source is what's going to allow us to get the problem. And then the problem will be eliminated. And then we'll be able to receive this amazing things that we get to have. So look, it's been real, guys. Look, comment, subscribe below. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it, touch you. And if it's anything you want me to expound on, let me know. Comment. Let me know. And on top of that, just have an amazing, great, awesome day. All right, peace.